in this boot camp is the students' identity, the link between what you want to achieve and who you are. And that the students get to really think about what would be the right way for them to connect to society or to the business in music.
My impressions of this bootcamp as a musician has been really good because I felt the necessity of being together with the society, with the world, being connected, and with musicians many times who are not.
It's also the angle of looking at yourself and who you are and what your values are. What you're able to actually share, being yourself, being an artist.